Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing? I hope you're having a great, wonderful day today. For everybody that's here for the first time, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back, guys. All right, I'm back. I just got started in this program within 24 hours. And I've got my first $247 commissions. Okay, so this system absolutely works if you work the system. Getting your capture page in front of people. That's the name of the game. And then let the system do all the selling and telling for you guys. M.A.P. My automatic pay. You definitely want to check this out. I'm going to show you some payment proof, but let's talk about this real quick. Just go over a few little pointers, and you definitely want to get started. The link is in the description. Go check it out, www.besteasyworkincome.com. Let's check it out. Okay, I am on the actual same sales page that you're going to get. They have more than one sales page, by the way, okay? But this one right here is the one that I am promoting. You can switch those out. You can redirect people to another capture page or to a different sales page. They have two back there, okay? But this is the one I'm using. This is the one that's doing the selling and telling for me. I actually was out having lunch, okay? And this payment came in, okay? So that's the autopilot method that we have here. Okay, so you can get paid $247 over and over simply sharing your link, guys. Okay, you don't have to do all the work. Okay, let the system do the selling and telling. You just get people over to your page. Now, how do you do that? On this page they specify and tell you, hey, we have done for you traffic. If you want to just pick one of our packages and they'll run the traffic for you, you can do that. Okay, matter of fact, I have a traffic package running for myself right now. Everybody that joins me in this program will also get a solo ad. Okay, so I'm going to run your first solo ad for you. So they have 4 traffic packages you can select from. Okay, buy your traffic, run traffic, let the system do the selling and telling for you. This is automation. Okay, this is automation. Set it and forget it. Now, what you want to do is you want to set up everything and then just run traffic to the page, and then the system will do everything else. Okay, so you do have to do some work. This is not just purchase a system and sit back. No, that's not what I'm saying. What I'm saying is set it up, start running traffic, whether it be postcards, solo ads, text message marketing, whatever you want to do. We have the resources that we're going to provide to you. Just pick one of those methods and let the system do the selling and telling. Okay, so this page is awesome. It does all that for you. So you're able to earn, by being a member, a reseller, you're able to earn $247 instant commissions, 100% commissions. You get a sales funnel. This is a business in a box. Everything is under one roof. Your autoresponder is included. You're paid member to member. You're paid directly from the person that joins you from your link. Okay, there's no middleman. The company's not going to pay you. Pay directly and instantly. Okay, what else do you get? Digital products that teach you how to market online. You get access to the traffic packages and the strategies, the other strategies that you can use to promote this business. How can you get paid? Via Cash App, Zelle, PayPal, or credit card. I'm going to show you some of those other methods too. We have more than those. And you have your digital products that's going to teach you some specific skills. Okay, so we have it all covered. How does it work? 3 steps. Pay $247 one time to your sponsor. Pay the company one time. $33, guys. That's $280. You have a business in a box, ready to roll. Register your profile, which means, how do you want to get paid? Just tell the system, what methods do you want to use to get paid? And number 3, decide on which traffic package you want to use. And you repeat step 3. This is the thing. Step 3, you're going to repeat that over and over and over. Okay, that's the key. Be consistent with your traffic. because without traffic, without leads, you have no business. Okay? With this program, the price is so affordable. Okay, it's very affordable. You break even on your first sale. It's $247 plus that one time $33. So everything is one time. There's no monthly fees here. Okay, so your very first sale you make, you just broke even. You got your money back. You're 100% in profit. Okay, your second sale passes up. It has the reverse one-up comp plan. Everybody passes up their second sale. That gives you leverage. Everybody that joins you is going to owe you their second sale, but it's all automated. The system is going to direct them where they need to go to make the payments. So you're going to get those second sales from all your new members. 100% commissions, one time $247, one time $33. And what I like about this thing is it's automatic. The system is going to automatically send your members their get started email. Okay, so you don't have to send anything. The system is going to send them an email with their login information. The system is going to give them access. Okay, so it's automatically set up. All you need to do is mark your folks paid, and that's it. If you use specific processors, so we're going to talk about that real quick. I'm going to show you the different payment processors that you can use. This is going to be powerful, guys. $247 over and over and over. And again, you do have to put work in. I'm not saying this is a system you just set it and forget it and go away. No, you have to do some work. So you have to promote it, right? But they tell you the strategies. You get the blueprint on, well, how do I have to promote it? I don't know what to do. Step by step. Okay, so let's go check it out. Okay, see what happens right here. New sign up. Welcome aboard, Jason. Then I approved the payment. Once I received my payment, right here for the $247, and it shows he has the membership. Okay, so you're gonna be notified, as well as you're gonna be notified from your payment processor. So let me show you that. Okay, as you can see right here, it shows this was a Zelle payment that I received from Jason. Thank you so much, Jason, for getting started. Jason will be receiving a solo ad from me personally, 100-click ad for signing up with me. So as you can see, there you have it, guys. Okay, payment proof within 24 hours of setting up the system. Okay, and every 24 hours, let me move this over. Hang on a second. Move this over so you can see. Every 24 hours, this changes. So as you can see right here, 247 earned. Okay, I've got 50 contacts back here right now. Okay, so one person has paid 247. There's two that haven't paid yet. That's what those referrals mean, but this will change every 24 hours. Okay, so I am in my dashboard. You can see that's my name right there, right? Okay. So set this thing up and let me start getting this traffic over for you, okay, to your capture page. So let's see what the capture page looks like. All right, this is the capture page, guys. That's converting like gangbusters right here. Name and email. You see this? It's pretty powerful. Just a simple page, okay? So what it does is entice people to want to know more information. So they put in their name and email, and then they go to that sales page that I was just on. Okay, that does all the selling and telling for you. So let's go take a look at the payment options. Okay, how can you get paid with this? What are the payment processors? Okay, so we're here in the dashboard area, right? So if I just click start here, which is where you want to go, and it tells you step by step, complete your profile, step 1. Step 2, set up your payment option. Step 3, if you want to accept credit cards, and SMS notifications if you want to be notified via text message. But let's click set up payment options. Okay, here are the options, right? So you can do authorize.net, PayPal, Stripe, Cash App, Dinero. Manually means if you want to set up like Zelle or whatever other method you want to receive your payments from. What is this? Gizmo or Venmo. Those are your options. But again, if you don't see the one you want, click manual and put your information in there and click save. Okay, very simple, guys. All right, and in your dashboard also, right here, before you do anything, right here it says watch these setup videos. So you want to go here and watch the videos and get your map blueprint. Okay, and right here is your referral link. Okay, so this is the link I want you to send me when you sign up with me. Send me an email, copy this link, email it to me, and I will send it to my traffic resource so we can get you some traffic started. Solo ad. All right, guys. All right, so if you're ready to get started earning $247 over and over with this all-in-one business in a box system, instant pay, automatic pay, click that link in the description and get started. www.besteasyworkincome.com. I look forward to partnering with you guys to help you start earning $247 instant commissions. And remember, when you join me, I'm going to send your first traffic campaign. Okay, so right out the gate, just sign up, pay your $247, pay your $33, email me your link, and we'll start getting some leads coming into your system. Okay, put this thing on autopilot, get the traffic over to your site. That's your job, to get the traffic over. We're not saying chase friends and family down, none of that. You don't have to do any of that. We've got you covered on the strategies. Okay, so I look forward to working with you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, you guys be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.